Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and we are back with another Walkthrough Wednesday. I am so excited because today we are in Coral Ridge, and I am here with Chad with David Weekley Homes, and he's walking us through a beautiful quick move-in home. So Chad, please tell us where we're at and about this house.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is a really exciting opportunity here in Coral Ridge. We are almost 97% sold out in
Wow.
Coral Ridge. So definitely one of the final opportunities. This is a Nichelle floor plan. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. As you can see, we have a 3-car garage.
Awesome.
And nice, it's attached, but it's not part of the, the double garage here. So that's great for a gym, your 911, whatever.
Golf car, yeah,
Golf car,
absolutely.
absolutely. So a lot of options there.
Okay, awesome. I'm so excited. We haven't been in Coral Ridge in a while, so I was very excited when we got the news we were going to be filming with Chad in here. So
Absolutely.
love the exterior with all of the stonework.
And of course, we are set in the back of Coral Ridge on
Mhm.
these wonderful 80-foot lots, giving you plenty of room in between the homes. And as you approach the door, you see these nice big double doors, and you know it's going to be nice when they're that big. And of course, there is a little film on there.
And viewers, as you can probably see, it is a work in progress. So Chad, when is this home going to be ready?
So this will be ready in around early February. So this is definitely a sneak peek. And one of the reasons why I wanted to get y'all in here is because once it's done, we're going to get the pictures and it's going to go on MLS. Once it goes on MLS, that's when the floodgates open. So this is a really exciting exclusive look. So look beyond any mess. We apologize.
I still think it looks so good.
It
Can't wait
does.
to see the full finished product.
It does, it does. And of course, so we are walking through these front 2 bedrooms here that are connected via Jack and Jill.
Love that.
They're separated from the other bedroom, so it's nice, giving you a little privacy. Really grand entrance, wonderful sight lines walking in. And then over to the right, you have an enclosed study, so with some nice French doors. Plenty of options there. Of course, home office is probably the first and foremost. Playroom, home gym, craft room, wrapping room. People get creative.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Beautiful high ceilings. Love the beams. There's going to be, as you guys are going to see as we're going through, lots of beautiful stonework as we're getting into the kitchen. And of course, all that crown molding as well.
Absolutely. And the designers did such a wonderful job in this kitchen. And even you could just see, how the underlight, how it illuminates, the waterfall, it really brings everything together. I love those light fixtures. They really frame the space.
Yeah.
And then what is the coolest is this, it's like a butler's pantry slash quasi scullery. So it's cool because, you kind of have this awesome prep area back here, a little wine fridge, and, you're kind of away from everything. So if you're making something messy and, you're entertaining, it's great to kind of do everything back here. And of course, there's going to be shelves up here to provide a nice pantry area.
I love the wine bar, like that you can hide some of your groceries and different things in your appliances. Love the dual colored cabinets and this stonework. Oh my goodness. I am obsessed with it.
And Alexis, you're so right with the appliances back there. I didn't even think about that.
I can hide it.
Because
I'm all about like decluttering. Where can I not see the mess?
100%.
And I love the glass doors as well.
Because every time Ninja comes out with a new product, I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know if I have room for this. Okay, so really wonderful kind of, breakfast area, dining area. Again, very multifaceted in how we can use it. Really nice part of the space. And over here, this is a sunroom area. So it's, some casual living space. Still part of everything, but, clearly defined space as well.
Yeah, I love all the sight lines in here. Like I love that you can look out to the preservation with all these beautiful windows. And then from this angle too, looking onto the house, it's so beautiful.
Absolutely. Yes, David Weekley is very intentional about the sight lines. So, as you can see, it's all very intentional.
Yeah. One thing I do want to point out as Carlene's walking back over, and this is something I noticed, the stonework again continues. This is, I feel like, a rare piece. And again, we will see this as we go through the house, but the intention of just adding all of those custom details for this home was so thought through.
Because to wrap it around like this, even to do it, it would be very much easier to stop, stop short, but
beautiful.
A lot of love, a lot of detail put in here. And of course, we have these nice big sliders. This is a
Hey, that's good. No one's getting in.
I promise they open. All right.
Well, as Carling is looking at, anyways, I love all the papers that have already been put in. Obviously, that would be beautiful for a lounge set, for grilling, for you can even probably fit a pool in this backyard.
Easily.
Yeah,
Easily.
absolutely.
Yeah. And it's nice too because that's that's facing west. So as the sun kind of sets through the afternoon, you get some really nice sun filtering through those trees, illuminating your pool and your backyard area.
Love it. All right, going into the owner's suite.
All right, so as we make our way into the owner's suite.
Big, beautiful room. Again, sight lines with the preservation here. Love that.
Nice trays in the ceiling. And I love the size of it too. You know, it's comfortable, it's cozy, it's not overwhelming, but obviously it's plenty big.
Absolutely. Oh yeah. Definitely big enough for a large king size bed, huge nightstand. So yeah. And then this stunning bathroom.
This
oh
bathroom
my gosh.
is so epic. I mean, imagine waking up and being able to go to a bathroom that's, I mean, you're like, am I in the St. Regis? No, it's nicer.
And again, with the stonework, as we've been talking about, waterfall stonework, especially in a bathroom, is so rare. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it.
Yeah, no, that's unique. And I think the designers did a wonderful job
really
pulling it off. There's
They really did.
a lot of cohesion.
Definitely. Nice deep shower. Of course, you've got, what, 3 different heads in there? You got a ring, you got a handheld, you got a wall one.
Yep,
Love
absolutely. Really nice bathtub. And then this is just, I mean, unreal.
Unreal. Yeah. It's a beautiful, beautiful closet. I love all the custom work that's already been done in here. Stunning. Again, stonework that's been brought into your closet. I mean, who gets that?
Yeah.
This would be great for like jewelry, watches.
Absolutely.
I mean, anything that you want to put
Ties,
in here.
yeah.
And they're soft clothes.
Lot of options.
All right.
And what I love too is every time I walk through this house, I see something I didn't notice the last time. Just all the little details that come together so nicely. And of course, these doors that I tried to open over to the left of Carling here will open all the way, giving you some really nice indoor, outdoor living.
Yeah.
Creating.
Yeah, this is an entertainer's dream.
Absolutely. All right, so we're gonna make our way into the laundry room.
Love it. This laundry room is like what dreams are made of. One, with the tile work because I love the flooring, but also just all the storage coming in from the garage and just having not only just a drop zone, but just tons of storage in here.
Yes, a lot of space, a lot of space. So as we kind of make our way through here, as I had mentioned, this separated third garage.
I love that you can walk through this way as well.
And show some love to the floor here, Carling, because this, I mean, so nice. You know, you won't have any, oil stains or anything. It washes off super easily.
Love that. Back into the house we go.
And as Alexis mentioned, you know, all the backpack rack is in place. I mean, it's a custom home.
It is.
That you don't have to deal with all of the hassle of building a custom home.
Absolutely. This extended space too would be great for sewing. You could put maybe a dog crate underneath. I mean, there's a lot of different things that you could do in this room. And this is one of the things I love about this laundry room is it's so versatile.
All right. And then we have a nice powder room over the left, and then the final bedroom. Nice and bright, and this one does have an ensuite, a private ensuite.
That's great.
So
this would be perfect for like, if you got a family member living with you, mom or dad, you've got an older teen maybe.
Absolutely.
Perfect roommate, whatever you would need it for.
And of course, the heartbeat of the home.
All right. Making our way back into this beautiful very large living room.
Yes.
Chad, please remind the viewers where we are at. Tell them a little bit about this home again and why it's so unique that we're doing it right now.
Yes. So again, we are in Coral Ridge. Stop by our model at 80 Sable Creek Trail. We'd be more than happy to help you and show you around on one of these final opportunities here in Coral Ridge.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much. This home is beautiful. Again, this was just kind of a sneak peek that if you were interested and wanted to purchase it before it actually is finished and complete, would be the time to do that. But other than that, we hope you're having a great day. We look forward to seeing you guys soon. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.